Hey there, I'm Steve. If you think you've seen luxury, just wait until you discover what billionaires actually spend on yachts. Today, we're exploring the 10 most expensive yachts owned by billionaires, and trust me, the price tags on these floating palaces will absolutely blow your mind. But here's something even more intriguing. Some of these yachts hold secrets you'd never guess. Ready to dive in? Kicking off our list at number 10 is the spectacular yacht known as Serene, valued at around $330 million. Owned by Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, this vessel features a helicopter hangar, multiple swimming pools, and even an underwater viewing room. But the real surprise? Serene has a secret submarine dock hidden within its sleek design, allowing the owner and guests to discreetly explore beneath the waves. But hold on, because the next yacht has something even more extraordinary. Coming in at number 9 is the futuristic Motor Yacht A, valued at $440 million. Owned by Russian billionaire Andrei Melnichenko, this yacht is strikingly modern, almost like something straight from a sci-fi movie. It boasts bomb-proof windows, a massive disco hall, and unique rotating beds that ensure guests always wake up facing the ocean. Curious why a billionaire needs bomb-proof glass? Keep watching, we'll reveal that later. At number 8, meet Sailing Yacht A, the equally jaw-dropping sister vessel to Motor Yacht A, worth an astonishing $480 million. What makes this yacht stand out isn't just its incredible price, but its record-breaking mass, each taller than Big Ben. But what's truly remarkable is the yacht's underwater observation pod, giving passengers breathtaking views of marine life below. Imagine sipping champagne while watching dolphins swim by. Sounds unreal, right? Sliding in at number 7 is the super yacht Topaz, valued at over $500 million and owned by Sheikh Mansour of Abu Dhabi. Stretching over 480 feet, Topaz includes a cinema, multiple hot tubs, and its own private gym. But here's the twist. This yacht has a specialized stabilization system so advanced, passengers hardly notice they're at sea. Ever wondered how billionaires avoid seasickness? This is how. Now, number 6 is even more incredible. Meet Dubai, owned by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. With a value of around $550 million, it's famous for its lavish interior featuring a glass staircase, mosaic-tiled swimming pools, and even a helipad. But what's the real showstopper on this vessel? A dedicated nightclub that rivals those in Las Vegas, hidden within the yacht's luxurious decks. You won't believe the kind of parties hosted here. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the stunning yacht Azam, owned by the former president of the UAE, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Azam isn't just luxurious, it's the largest yacht in the world, measuring a mind-blowing 590 feet and costing roughly $600 million. Inside, there's everything from bulletproof suites to an onboard missile defense system. Sounds intense, right? You might be asking why all the security. We'll uncover the real reason soon. Speaking of security, number 4 on our list takes privacy to the extreme. The Eclipse, owned by Russian oligarch Roman Abramovich, costs around $700 million. Not only does Eclipse have 2 helipads and a mini-submarine, but it's also equipped with lasers designed to blind paparazzi cameras. Imagine the lengths billionaires go to maintain privacy. Laser defenses, really? At number 3 is Streets of Monaco, with an estimated price tag of $1 billion. Unlike anything you've seen before, this yacht is literally a floating city, replicating the famous landmarks of Monaco itself. Think mini racetracks, casinos, and even scaled-down luxury hotels. Who owns this floating paradise? Well, that's still a mystery, and the yacht itself is shrouded in secrecy. But that's not even our biggest mystery. Stay tuned for number 1. Next up at number 2 is History Supreme, priced at an astonishing $4.8 billion. Coated with over 220,000 pounds of solid gold and platinum, this vessel is truly one of a kind. But the most extraordinary feature? It houses an actual meteorite rock as part of its interior decoration. Owned anonymously, this yacht sets a new standard for luxury and extravagance. But who could own something so outrageously lavish? The answer might shock you. Before we reveal the number one yacht, ask yourself this: what makes a yacht worth billions? Is it the size, the luxury, or the secrecy? Or maybe something else entirely? The most expensive yacht on our list isn't just the pinnacle of luxury, it's hiding something incredible. Curious? You should be, because what you're about to hear is beyond belief. Topping our list at number 1 is the incredible, jaw-dropping mega-yacht known as the Dilbar, valued at an astonishing $800 million. Owned by Russian billionaire Alisher Usmanov, this floating palace isn't just luxurious, it's packed with features you'd never expect. Stretching over 500 feet, Dilbar boasts the largest indoor pool ever built on a yacht, a state-of-the-art cinema, and even an expansive garden. But here's the real secret. Hidden within its glamorous decks is a highly secure private hospital equipped for any medical emergency imaginable. Imagine cruising the ocean knowing you have world-class medical care on board. That's billionaire-level peace of mind. So what exactly drives billionaires to spend hundreds of millions, even billions, on these extraordinary vessels? It's not just about showing off wealth, it's also about creating floating sanctuaries where privacy, security, and absolute luxury come together seamlessly. But here's something intriguing. Despite their lavishness, these yachts spend a surprising amount of time empty and docked at harbors. Ever wondered why? We'll unravel this mystery in just a bit. First, let's explore another shocking fact. Did you know maintaining a billionaire yacht can cost tens of millions every single year? Think about it. The crew, fuel, docking fees, maintenance, and even insurance quickly add up. For example, fueling a yacht like Eclipse can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars per fill-up, making every voyage a significant financial commitment. But even these jaw-dropping costs pale compared to what some billionaires spend on custom yacht designs. Ever wondered about the craziest custom features requested by billionaires? You're about to find out. One of the wildest requests ever made was for a specialized shark tank built directly into the deck of a billionaire's yacht. Yes, real sharks swimming on board, creating perhaps the most surreal luxury feature imaginable. Another billionaire requested a helipad that transforms into a dance floor at night, complete with built-in LED lighting and concert-quality sound systems. But the most bizarre request of all? One yacht owner demanded a snow room filled with real snowflakes so guests could enjoy a winter wonderland, even while cruising tropical seas. Let's circle back to the question of why billionaires' yachts spend so much time docked. Here's the surprising answer. Billionaire yachts aren't just vessels, they're investments. Owning such a yacht instantly grants status, recognition, and exclusivity among elite circles, even if the yacht itself rarely sails. Often, billionaires charter their yachts to other ultra-rich individuals, turning their massive vessels into lucrative floating hotels that generate millions in passive income. It's a smart, strategic way to offset maintenance costs while keeping the yacht as a powerful status symbol. Speaking of status, here's another secret most people don't know. Billionaires frequently engage in friendly yet intense rivalries over yacht ownership. The competition isn't just about luxury, it's also about breaking records. When Sheikh Khalifa commissioned Azam, he explicitly wanted it longer than Abramovich's Eclipse, leading to an intense behind-the-scenes race to create the largest yacht ever. These battles for yacht supremacy often result in technological breakthroughs and innovations never before seen at sea. But billionaire yachts aren't just impressive in terms of luxury and size, they're also pushing boundaries in environmental innovation. Many billionaires now equip their yachts with advanced hybrid engines, solar panels, and eco-friendly materials to reduce environmental impact. Sustainable luxury yachts are quickly becoming a new trend among the ultra-rich, blending extravagance with environmental consciousness. Finally, let's reveal another unexpected fact. Security on board billionaire yachts rivals that of presidential residences. Bulletproof windows, missile detection systems, and advanced radar are standard features for many high-profile vessels. But perhaps the most advanced security feature is stealth technology. Some billionaires have invested millions in systems that mask their yachts' electronic signals, rendering them practically invisible to radar. Imagine cruising anonymously across the globe, hidden from view. When you look at the extravagant world of billionaire yachts, it's clear they're much more than luxurious vessels. They're private kingdoms on the water. Combining astonishing comfort, groundbreaking innovation, and unparalleled privacy, these yachts redefine what's possible at sea. If today's journey through billionaire yachts fascinated you, make sure you stay tuned for more exclusive glimpses into the lavish lifestyles of the world's wealthiest people. Drop a comment below. Which yacht feature blew your mind the most? Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.